Police in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hancock County, southwestern McDonough County, Lee County, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:23 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Paul Miller Park, or near Fort Madison, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nyota around 2:30 a.m., Dallas City and Paul Cusick around 2:35 a.m., Adrian and Calusa around 2:40 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Carthage, Ferris, Burnside, Fountain Green, Bentley, Webster, Colchester, Tennessee, Calmer, Plymouth, and Fendon. Take cover now.